सारी जानकारी जरूर चेक करनी चाहिए।
जागो ग्राहक जागो। पैकेज प्रोडक्ट्स की खरीदारी में दिखाएं समझदारी, वरना हो सकते हैं ये सेहत और जेब पर भारी।
जागो ग्राहक जागो।
3 महीने में पैसे डबल?
वाह, फास्ट और हाई रिटर्न्स भी।
क्या स्कीम है? कल तो नहीं थी यहाँ।
और कल होगा भी नहीं।
तूने कभी 5 ओवर में डबल सेंचुरी मारी है?
ऐसे स्कीम के बहकावे में आके हम धोखा खा सकते हैं।
और आरबीआई कहता है अपना पैसा सुरक्षित रखो और समझदारी से निवेश करो। अगर ज्यादा रिटर्न के पीछे भागोगे तो रिस्क भी उतना ही उठाओगे।
और फास्ट रिटर्न से बच के।
और फास्ट बॉलिंग से भी।
आरबीआई कहता है जानकार बनिए, सतर्क रहिए।
Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is heading for a hung verdict as none of the political parties in the state got majority. VPP made a surprise entry in Meghalaya politics. TMC 4 and Congress 5 have won in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The news in detail. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is heading for a hung verdict as none of the political parties in the state got a majority. As per the trends, NPP emerged as the single largest party with 26 seats. Parties like TMC and Congress have won 5 seats each. BJP's performance turned out to be a disaster as the party could win only 2 seats. Several top leaders of different political parties reached the counting centre to take their certificates, while a huge number of their supporters had gathered outside and were seen dancing and rejoicing together. The major regional party, United Democratic Party, is another major gainer by winning 11 seats. The National People's Party improved performance this time, in which it has emerged as the single largest party in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly 2023. Prominent leaders like Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, President Tinsong, Ampreen Lingdor, Wailat Miki Shilas, Ngaubalangdhar and others have won this election. However, in a setback, the NPP did not win in Dadingre constituency, in which former Minister James P.K. Sangma lost to Rupa Marak of TMC. Conrad Sangma thanked people for showing faith in the NPP and said that a decision about a post-poll alliance will be taken soon.
Leaders baru the National People's Party politician juga
I, returning officer for the 12th Convoy SP.
Thank the people of the state for having voted for our party. We're very thankful to them, and of course we are short a few numbers, so we will just wait for the final results to come out.
The new entrant into Meghalaya politics, the Voice of People's Party, surprised many by winning 4 seats out of 18 contested constituencies. The 4 candidates who won the election are the party president, Arden Miller Basayamot, who defeated Lambor Malnyang of UDP by a margin of 4,068 votes. Adalbert Nongrum won the election from North Shillong by defeating BJP's M. Kharkrang of BJP. Bright Starwell Marbanyang from Maulai and Heaving Stone Karpran from Mauringkeneng also won the elections for VPP. While speaking to the media person, Arden Miller Basaimot said that the mainstream party has undermined the VVP and they did not expect the VPP to win 4 seats.
We know, especially the mainstream, they undermine the VPP. They didn't expect us because they thought that we will win only 2-3 seats. But for us, it is not a surprise. In fact, we expect more than this.
The TMC won 4 seats from Nongthamai, Songsak, Dadingre and Ampati constituencies. The Congress have won 5 seats from Mauhati, Nongston, Umsning, Miliam and Gabangre in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. While speaking to the media, the TMC State President Charles Pingrop said that the people of the state have believed in us and have expected, nevertheless, there has been a reward.
The people of the state have believed in us and given us a mandate which may not be up to our expectations, but nevertheless it has been rewarding.
Ngadap da gadis kongo ya ki paiba bakila ailat enga sa sisin ban sekri yang iki de ngam artatin bangan sa ai gading sekri ke ba khamti kina iki hagane ga term ga ba.
The BJP has been able to get 2 seats this time from South Shillong and Pinthor Umkra constituencies, and they have not managed to improve their performance. It may be mentioned that the BJP this time have contested in all the 60 constituency in this election.
Election is election. We can't just predict it like that we're going to win the election. So we have to have faith on our voters and the faith of people. That's all I know.
Are you going ahead with government formation or what's next?
This is the High Command of the BJP will take a call on this. The decision will be taken by the national BJP leaders.
Regional parties except UDP repeated their 2018 performance. The UDP have won 11 seats, 3 more than last time. The UDP have won from Mairang, Kleriat, Amlarem, Shela and other constituencies. The PDF and HSPDP have won 2 seats each in the State Legislative Assembly. The PDF have won from Mauringknau and Sora constituency. HSPDP won the seats from Mau Shinrut and Mau That Rashan constituencies.
Kani kajing job tak kayong pajba ingo ya waro kinong chung yang ka 7 amrem kamtam ya kawar is kawada kit deba yang ha kani kanti pada yiga ba ublai wa chere lang i poi kani kajing job.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 20.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature 10.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 54%, while in the evening it was 63%. Forecast, weather is likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is heading for a hung verdict as none of the political parties in the state got majority. NPP emerged as the single largest party in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly 2023. VPP made a surprise entry in Meghalaya politics. And TMC 4, Congress 5 have won in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.